Okay, real quickly going over our order of operations. So there's an acronym that we use. It is GEMDAS. So GEMDAS. So the G will stand for groups or whatever's in parentheses. The E is for exponents, but we don't use exponents for fifth grade. So you don't have to worry about that. M is multiply. D is divide. A is add, and S is subtract. So this just kind of gives us the order that we'll do these in. First thing we'll do is any groups. Then we work multiplication from left to right, and then addition and subtraction from left to right. So let's look at this problem here. I have 10 divided by 5 times 3 minus 2. So I'll look, and the first thing I've got, I check to see if there are any groups. I don't have anything grouped together, so groups are good to go. Next, I go and look for multiplication and division. I have some division there at the very first, so I'm going to do that right now. 10 divided by 5. So I think, how many groups of 5 can I take out of 10? Should be able to take 2 groups out. Now I've used that stuff. I'm going to bring the rest down, which is a multiplication symbol, a 3, a minus 2. Again, I'll go through and look. Do I have any multiplication and division? I've got some multiplication there. So I'll do 2 times 3, which is 6, and copy the rest down. By this step, we should have it pretty easily. It's just 6 minus 2, which gives me 4. Okay, and then my answer is 4. I call it the Dorito method because you work kind of in an upside down triangle. It looks like a Dorito or a slice of pizza. Okay, now let's talk about parentheses real quick. So let's say that, and I'm going to put parentheses here, but you're never going to have to draw parentheses on a problem. And in fact, the ones where it says draw the parentheses on the problem, I'm going to say let's go ahead and skip those for now. So if I want to say this is really important, then it's going to have parentheses around it. So pretend that the parentheses were already there. That means it's in a group, so I'm going to do it first. So 7 minus 1 is 6. Then I'll copy everything else down. I look through real quick. There are no groups, so I do any multiplication and division from left to right. Again, there's some division, so I'll do 16 divided by 4, which gives me 4, and then I copy the rest down. So my final step then would be 6 times 4, and that gives me 24. Okay, so notice how much the parentheses changed it. And again, you're not going to be drawing any parentheses on there, only if they show up in the problem. That means parentheses say, this is really important, so you should do this part first. Then you go through and do the multiplication and division left to right, addition and subtraction left to right. Feel free to comment on this video if you have any questions, and I will help you out as much as I can. Y'all have a good day.